Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video, I'll be making this creamy Tuscan chicken thigh. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe. Guys, I upload 3 days per week. Now guys, let's jump right into the video. So now guys, first things first, I'll be seasoning my chicken with my Maggi all-purpose season, some Cajun season, paprika, and Old Bay season. And guys, you can use whatever season you have on hand. Now you want to just rub your season in, just making sure that it's well distributed. And you're going to just set that aside, and I'll be making my dredge. Now for my dredge, I'm using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and all the season I practically use to season my chicken. Now guys, I'll be coating my chicken with this dredge, and I actually like this method. You guys don't have to dip it in flour. You guys can just, sear it off and then finish it in the oven. But I like this method, so I'm just going with it. So now I'll be heating 1/4 cup of canola oil on medium to high heat. So now guys, I'll be searing my chicken for about 5 minutes on each side until they are golden brown. Not burnt, but golden brown. And when I say 5 minutes, I'm going to be finishing them off in the oven. So that's why I'm just giving them 5 minutes. Perfect. Now this is how you want your chicken to look, guys. Golden brown, crispy golden brown. Okay. Just beautiful. Oh, and I'm using the thigh. You guys can use chicken breast if that's your preference. I do love chicken breast. However, I'm just a big fan of the thigh. So that's why I'm using the thigh. But you guys can go ahead and use chicken breast. Okay, so now I'm transferring them to my baking tray, and I'll be baking those at a temperature at 350 degrees. Just make sure your oven is already preheated, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna bake those for about 15 minutes until they are cooked through. So now while my chicken is in the oven, I'll be chopping up my veggies, and I'll be using some mushroom. Oh my goodness guys, I promise you I absolutely love mushroom. I'm in love with mushroom. I will eat mushroom all day every day, but that's besides the point. So now I'm just chopping up my veggies. I'm actually using, as I said, mushroom. I'll also be using some red bell pepper. I wanted to use sun-dried tomatoes, but I mean I forgot those. And I'll also be using some onions. So guys, in the same skillet with the same oil that we used to fry our chicken, that's where I'll be sauteing my vegetables, because it has all that flavor of all the season. So you don't have to wash it out, just use the same pot. Now you're just gonna let that cook until it's fragrant for about 30 seconds to a minute. That's the minimum. So now I'm just adding my spinach, and these are actually in the freezer. So I'm just going to let that wilt, then I'll be adding my creams. Okay guys, so now it's time to add our cream, and I'm using half and half, and I'll also be using heavy cream. You just want to reduce your heat low to low medium. And then you're going to bring that to a gentle simmer while stirring occasionally, and you want to season with your Cajun season and salt and pepper. I'll also be adding some parm, guys, because I just want my sauce to be creamy. I love Tuscan. I absolutely love Tuscan sauce. Yeah, so I'm just going to add some parm just to give it a bit of flavor. Okay guys, here's a trick. If you don't have marinara or tomato paste, go ahead and use salsa if you have salsa in your fridge, okay? Because that's what I'm using, salsa. Now you just want to let your sauce simmer and reduce for about a minute until it starts to thicken. And now I'm just going to add my chicken back into that pan. And you guys can top this with parsley, you know, just to garnish. And you guys can serve this with steamed vegetables, pasta, rice, whatever starch you guys have. I mean, you guys can serve this with whatever. So yeah, that is practically the end, guys. I'm just going to let this simmer for about a couple minutes until the juice starts to soak in that chicken and it's ready to serve. But I'm actually I'll be serving mine with rice. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you really enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you really like it, guys. Subscribe, help your girl out, and flood that comment section, guys. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.